Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're starting with 3 essentials: updated Tapo firmware, iPhone running iOS 16 or later, and stable 4 GHz Wi-Fi. First, open the Tapo app and verify the camera appears and streams. Next, sign into iCloud and enable Home in settings so HomeKit can register accessories. Once done, turn on Bluetooth on your iPhone to speed discovery. Keep the camera within 6 feet of the router to avoid timeouts. Now move to the HomeKit pairing flow inside the Tapo app. You'll now run the HomeKit setup from the Tapo app. Tap Device Settings, choose HomeKit or Home Integration, and select Start HomeKit Setup. When prompted, scan the HomeKit QR code displayed in the app or type the 8-digit HomeKit setup code. This links the camera to your home. Then assign a room and a clear name so Siri recognizes it. Allow permission prompts for local network and camera access. These are required for live view and automations. Once authorized, the camera appears in the Home app. Finish by opening the Apple Home app and checking live view and camera settings. Add it to a scene or automation to confirm control. If you don't see video, reboot the Tapo camera and your iPhone, then recheck that both are on the 4 GHz Wi-Fi. Make sure Home's secure video settings and iCloud storage are configured if you need recordings. If problems persist, remove the HomeKit pairing in the Tapo app and repeat the HomeKit code scan. This resets the link and resolves most edge cases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.